New tonight, Boone County Schools partnered with local nonprofits to bring the community together for a mental health awareness event.
The goal, it's easy, to keep the community together to heal, offer support and resources after losing multiple students to suicide.
Yeah, Allie Henner was there and joins us live with that story.
Well, Tricia, Rob, that's right. So tonight's event was held at Crossroads Church in Florence. Now, this was spearheaded by Boone County High School's band director, Dan Barnhill, who tells me he wanted to help the community through music and show support for those struggling, but also provide resources for local teens and their parents.
I can't see the light.
Students, parents, and community members packed Crossroads Church Tuesday night for an event filled with music, resources, and support.
We have been dealing with a lot in our district recently.
The event comes after the Boone County coroner confirmed 5 juveniles died by suicide within the Boone County School District just since November of last year.
We're always told, look for this sign, look for that sign, but then what do we do when we realize my kid is going through this or my friend is going through this? What are the next steps beyond that?
Mental health professionals and local resources were available to provide those connections, including Debbie Zagara, the founder of Ethan's Purpose.
When we lost our son Ethan 6.5 years ago, it really wasn't talked about. And what was sad for me is I felt like Ethan's memory was fading away. And so I think an event like this helps us remember those that we've lost. But more importantly, it's just to provide hope for the students in the community that, you know, we can come together, we can heal.
The event's keynote speaker, Brandon Sejo, founder of The Mental Game and former sports journalist, shared his story about battling depression.
This was the real me for 3 to 4 months where I was suicidal every second of every day and no one had any idea.
He says don't be afraid to ask for help, support, and listen to those around you.
We can save lives by sharing what we're going through. That relatability, the vulnerability, the storytelling, that is what saves lives. It helped save my life, and I know it's going to help people here tonight.
Well, you can call or text 988 if you or someone you know needs to speak with a trained, compassionate counselor, and resources can also be found on our website. Live in studio, Allie Henner, Fox 19 Now.